In this video, I'll detail how to remove trusted places from Samsung Galaxy devices. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone and you've added some trusted places so that whenever you're in this place, your Samsung phone screen will remain unlocked, then you can go ahead and remove this if you discover that this could breach your security, and if your Samsung phone falls into the wrong hand, it could cause harms to your device. So if at the end of this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to delete or remove trusted places on Samsung Galaxy device, all you just need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings, scroll down and select lock screen and HOD. Then after that, locate extend unlock and click on that. Type your PIN password or pattern and click on continue. After that, locate trusted places and click on it. Then you should see the list of trusted places you've added to your Samsung phone trusted places. Here, go ahead and click on the place just once, and then you should see a pop that says edit address, rename, or click on delete. Then go ahead and tap delete. Once you tap delete, this is going to remove the trusted places or trusted place from your Samsung Galaxy device. So that's all you need to do to remove or delete trusted place or places from Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.